Hello, this is Cosmic Gardens, and this is Joe. This is what I woke up to. We got over 9 inches of snow last night, and 2 nights before that we got another 6 or 7 inches of snow. And there's the greenhouse. That's the greenhouse that I finally put the film on it to see if it works for the winter time, and it looks like it's working. I mean, you can see all the snow that's piled up on the sides, and this is how it is in New Hampshire. Okay, way in the back you got the chicken coop, my outside garden, and then let's go, and we'll go this way and let's see what's happening. Oh, I gotta clean up all these cars. Right there goes a mountain of snow way back there, you know. Plow's working. I come around this way, 2 more cars there to clean the snow off. Okay, let's keep going. And then there's the truck right there. That's what I got to get going. Let's pan around for a minute here. Let's look around. Way back over there is the orchard. You can see the trees there with the snow on it. And then we'll come around here, and I want to show you something. So it is holding because we restructured the inside of the greenhouse, and I was concerned that, well, it hold like 2 feet, 3 feet of snow. All right, and then let's go in here for a minute. This right now, the greenhouse turned out to be, we got stuff in here. Lots of stuff. All right, and so far it's holding. You know, it's like all of a sudden become a winter storage area. All right, but I wanted to show you what I did. I have the double ridge 2x6s going across, and then you could see all the purlins I got going across, and so far it's holding. So I'm really happy about that. But sometime in the late spring we're gonna come in here and we're gonna redo the floors, because you can see all the grass was growing here. Okay, and then we're gonna build another structure. And I have benches, these metal benches. I'm gonna fix those up. See, metal bench right there. You could see the mesh. All right. Well, I'll come back later and we'll see what's going on.